How to find groups in Telegram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can find groups in Telegram. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your Telegram. On your Telegram, if you swipe a bit down, you'll find the search bar. Tap on the search bar, and now all you have to do is search for whatever you're interested in. So if you're interested in let's say gardening, simply search for gardening and all your groups available about gardening will turn up right here. You can see the channel section as well. So if you want to join them, you can simply tap on one and open it up. Then you'll see the join button down below and you can join it. Similarly, you will see this same option for any other things that you're interested in. So you can search for memes here, and you will notice that there are a lot of different memes available on the Telegram group. And yeah, simply tap on the join button down below of that very group to join the group in Telegram. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.